Print-on-demand is one of the most popular e-commerce models currently, which is low-risk, inventory-free, and time-saving. You design and POD companies produce, pack, and ship for you. It really brings a lot if you know how it works. In this model, you don't take the risk of losing money before you actually sell, and you can even earn more than adopting traditional e-commerce model. To get most profit out of this, you need to pick the right POD partner. I'll tell you 4 major reasons why you should choose Yoycol. Yoycol is a top-notch print-on-demand order fulfillment service, professionalizing all over print, completely free to use and no minimum order requirements. Every year we process over millions of orders from all over the world. We can provide, first, stable sources of products. Usually POD companies don't have their own factories. They provide you with products from other suppliers, so the production process can be controlled. The orders is fulfilled by different suppliers, and this means printing quality is not stable. But here in Yoycol, we have our own factories which we take fully control of, so our sources are quite stable. Fulfillment time and product quality is highly guaranteed. You can benefit a lot from it, like it will lower the possibility of after-sale issues, and it surely will cut off a lot of time choosing and testing suppliers. You don't need to try and find stable suppliers on your own. It's one of our irreplaceable advantages that outweighs other platforms. Second, cost-effective price. Profit margin means a lot for online business owners. You can tell from our page that our prices are quite low. For example, tank tops. It takes usually $3.6 to $6.6 for this tank on Yoycol, but look at other platforms like Printify. It's $11.33 to $16.67. And hoodies, on Yoycol it shows 6.8 to 20.3. However, on Printify, 15.2 to 53.85. We are cheaper even at all the shipping costs, which are similar by the way. Lower prices means higher and controllable profit margin. Third, wide range of products. Now in Yoycol we provide over 600 products. You can explore all this in our categories or search for it directly. Besides, we have a lot more products coming up as we release new products every week to meet your demands. And if you have any new requirements, you're welcome to contact us and let us know. Yoycol is dedicated to offering the most innovative and novel products of the season. Fourth, AOP. Usually garments are printed with DTG, directly to garment printing. Clothes are made before printing. It's hard to print on uneven parts of the clothes. For example, like a hoodie, you can only put designs on the front or on the back. But you can change the design on the hat, sleeves, cuff parts. But we provide AOP, all over print. It's technically way more complex because patterns are printed before clothes are made, so you can add designs to every part of a garment. In Yoycol, we have a full production chain, including an advanced cutting machine, accurate printing machine, and experienced craftsmen. Also, we have a complete quality control mechanism for products, fabrics, and printing quality to ensure your customers get the best. If you are still looking for better supplier meeting your POD business needs, Yoycol is the one for you. Choose Yoycol, the largest AOP supplier with worldwide shipping.